All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So I'm going to go through the case suite for Supcase or Unicorn Beetle. They sent me out a ton of cases for the Galaxy Note 9. So I'm going to go through them at this point, one by one. So let's go. I think this is probably, it's one in here that's really, really nice. This is, let me get my glasses here. Yeah, this is a unicorn. So I'm gonna put it on here. Certified drop protection. You can see here all the ports and everything are gonna line up for you. Nice and neat. Camera cutout. It's nice and neat. Got a sloping design here for the fingerprint reader. Microphone cutout on the top. Around the front here, you've got some lip protection. And it's looking pretty good. This isn't my favorite, I can tell already. It's a little different. It's got like a smooth texture to it, and I don't know if that's a favorite for me. However, it is nice, and you got certified drop protection. This is the one that I like the most because this is the one that I'm using on my Galaxy Note 8 right now. This is my favorite one. This is it. Love this one. So let's pop it on here. This is what you get. Again, same design. Just trying these on to let you see how it's going to look on your Galaxy Note 8, or excuse me, Note 9. All ports and everything will line up, and you got the cutout in the back to show you what the phone is actually going to look like. You get to see the color of the phone that you have. So we're going to move on to the next. Look for a massive Note 9 giveaway online. Let's try this one right here, man. These kind right here, I'm really not a fan of these too much, but they do look nice. So I believe it goes in like so. Oops. Put this part on first, and then you pop this part on next, and it goes down in. Goes on. This is actually pretty nice. It makes the phone a little bit bulkier. Not really a fan of this gray color with this blue, but still, it's nice. You got a plastic screen protector in there. All ports and everything are going to line up. And you have access to your S Pen, speaker, microphone, charging sink, and deeply recessed on this one, because this is more of a rugged style case for protection. So we're going to get this one off here. These aren't cases that a person probably would take on and off a lot, because this is going to require a little bit of work to get it on and off. Not my favorite when it's like that, but, and also I don't really care for the plastic screen protector style, but that's just me. But this is still a nice one. I don't know if I don't know if I like that color too much, but it's still nice. And we're going to move on to the next. Get this back in there. I'm just kind of boxing these up because I'll be giving away cases for Galaxy Note 9 on Twitter, so be sure to follow me on Twitter. i-Blason, and so these are pretty much the same case I just tried on. It just looks a little different on the back, so I'm not going to try this on, but this is pretty ultimately. This one has the flaps on the bottom here, and you know, you get a clear back on this one, but ultimately this is the same case that I just tried on. So with that same style. Nice setup here from Unicorn Beetle / i-Blason. A lot of people were like, i-Blason and Unicorn and Supcase joined together. I was like, got me. And this is going to be probably the same style, man. Yeah, this is the other case with a front on it. So the first case I took open, this is kind of the i-Blason version, but it just has a front protector on it. Pretty much the same, folks. I don't want to bore you with chopping on the same type of case, but that's what it is. There are so many options for the Galaxy Note 9 for cases. Wow. There's almost too many. Now this is a case right here that I don't really like too much because it's super bulky. I don't work in construction or anything, but it's kind of like the OtterBox of cases for Supcase. Has that dot matrix on there, and this one goes in like this, and it goes in just like the other ones. This is just a much thicker case. There you go. This isn't my favorite, like I said, but does have that kickstand. Gotta love that. So there you have it, man. This is Unicorn Beetle Pro. You get the big giant belt clip with it, and this is obviously for people who are going to be in some kind of construction. So it's your man Jay. This is the Supcase or Unicorn Beetle suite for the Galaxy Note 9. Hope you guys enjoy it. See you in the next video. Take care.